In any civilization, solid waste management is a necessary service. But before we get into procedures, let's talk about substance we're dealing with: solid waste. Solid waste refers to a wide range of garbage material that are discarded as unwanted and useless as a result of animal and human activities. Solid waste, regardless of its source, contents, or hazard potential, must be managed systematically to ensure environmental best practices. Because of solid waste management is such an important part of environmental health, it must be included in environmental planning.
Solid waste management is defined as the science of controlling the generation, storage, collection, transportation or transfer, processing and disposal of solid waste materials in a way that best addresses public health, conservation, economic, aesthetic, engineering, and other environmental concerns. Solid waste management is regarded as one of the Philippines' most pressing environmental concerns. In 2010, annual garbage output was predicted to be 10 million tons, with a 40% increase expected by 2020. The Republic Act 9003, also identified as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, gives local government units the key policy framework, institutional mechanisms, and mandate to achieve a 25% waste reduction by establishing integrated solid waste management plans based on 3 Rs, or reduce, reuse, and recycling.
Waste management minimizes the negative impact of waste on the environment, human health, and other factors. It can also assist in the reuse of recycling of resources such as paper, cans, and glass. There are several types of waste management, including solid, liquid, gaseous, and hazardous waste disposal. When considering trash management, numerous factors must be considered, including disposal options, recycling methods, waste avoidance, reduction measures, and waste transportation. Waste management entails the treatment of both solid and liquid waste. It also provides a variety of options for recycling goods that aren't classified as garbage during the process.
Effect of waste and possible problems. Waste has significant environmental consequences and may result in catastrophic difficulties. Some garbage may decay eventually, but not all, and may smell or produce explosive methane gas, which adds effect. As garbage decomposes, groundwater may pollute the environment. Waste may result in variety of issues, all of which can have a severe influence on people's health and well-being, as well as the environment.
Waste that is careless may result in a variety of environmental issues. It may pollute the air and soil, as well as create a variety of health problems. The combustion of fossil fuels such as oil, gas, and coal. The pollutants emitted by your autos. Garbage contamination is caused by poor landfill trash management. The off-gassing of hazardous fragrances from plastic manufacturing, paints, and other products.
We can control improper waste disposal by these 4 solutions, which are unity, technology or modernization, set guidelines or target, and discipline. We must unify to act with the same goal in mind, to maintain our community and environment presentable and clean, and to dispose of our garbage in the appropriate locations. The problem is that there are many different perspectives or opinions regarding this matter, and although there is a definite plan in place, not everyone is interested in it, therefore no action is taken. The second is modernization and technology. Advanced software has made it easier to plant out routes that can efficiently guide waste collecting trucks. This not only makes it easier to collect the waste and recycling materials that need to be collected, it also makes the collection more fuel efficient and reduces energy usage. We must accept modernity in a positive light. There are technological improvements that help to to conserve the environment for the future generations. We need to employ the environmentally friendly technology. The third is set guidelines and targets for solid waste avoidance and volume reduction through source reduction and waste minimization measures including composting, recycling, reuse, recovery, green charcoal process, and others. Before collecting disposal in appropriate and environmentally sound solid waste management facilities by ecologically sustainable development principles. The fourth and most crucial factor is discipline. As the adage goes, disciplines begin with us. Discipline is the bridge between goal and accomplishments.
Solid waste management has become an increasingly important issue for sustainable development. Trash reduction, reuse, recycling, and composting method are better suited to dealing with the problem of waste created by families and businesses. These solutions should be included into a long-term plan that is environmentally friendly.